Another common question we get asked in regards to our dog wash trailers is, are they insulated? Now, our large trailer obviously isn't insulated because it's an open air trailer, but if you come around to our XL premium trailer, you'll see that it's actually insulated. Now, very important to understand insulation, okay? So first, it must be 50 mil thick. If it's not 50 mil thick, it's not really properly insulated. Second, must have a fiberglass skin on the outside, fiberglass skin on the outside, not color bond. Cool room panels color bond. This is not cool room, okay? This is one piece, specially molded fiberglass, right? Then, in the middle, must have a platinum core insulation. Cool room panel and aluminium panel doesn't have a platinum core insulation. It's impossible, right? All it has is basically foam in between. So this has a platinum core insulation. It has the fiberglass on the inside, fiberglass on the outside. Now you may pay a little bit extra for this trailer, right? But the cost will be soon forgotten when you enjoy the comfort of actually operating out of this trailer. So is this trailer insulated? My word, it is. It's got the most premium insulation currently available in the entire world with the platinum core insulation, the fiberglass inside and outside. So hopefully that helps answer your question. Is the dog wash trailers insulated?